Marshall Mathers never picked up a pen. Let's pretend things would have been no different. Pretend he just stayed outside all day and played with his friends. Pretend he even had a friend to say was his friend. And it wasn't time to move and schools weren't changing again. He wasn't socially awkward and just strange as a kid. He had a father and his mother wasn't crazy as shit. Now pretend pain just make him angry with this shit. And there was no one he could even name when he's pissed it. He hoped and he wished it, but it didn't fall in his lap, so he ain't even here. He pretends that airplanes